Comedy at 6:30 on BBC Radio 4.
What I do is buy £50,000, you know, like my dad, he said he spent £5,000 on a nice one. The remaining 45 to drive Madonna to adopt me. Right?
Nathan Caton Can't Do Nothing returns for a new series this evening at 6:30.
The weather is mostly bright and
impacts on everything else. Oh, great bit of driving. What are you doing out there? What the fuck were you doing out there?
Kładziny, no to zmienili, to w miarę poszło. No ale ja tu pod naczepę, zanim się z kablami zaczął pierdolić, bo kurwa no. Czekaj, bo mam skurwysyn, na którym mi hamuje na 40. Dawaj, czekaj, zapiszemy sobie kurwa. Godzina. Tutaj na 40 Birmingham i hamuje skurwysyn przede mną, poczekaj, która to jest godzina? 18:03. 18:03. Tak, FX63 TYB. O, i tu mamy kurwa kamerę, tak więc takiego śmiecia zgrywamy.
It's like you've gone back in time.
They were better than the place last year. Whoa, you fucker!
See, just put...
Go then, isn't it?
Oh, now he's giving me a little flash.
Are you fucking taking the piss, cunt? Fuck off. Do you know whose car this is? Do you know whose car this is?
Yeah, why?
Blocking the bike lane. I've just had to go out into the road.
Oh, what?
Just letting you know, mate.
Well, where do I park then?
Maybe not in the bike lane? Anywhere?
Where's the bike lane? There.
The bike lane is up here, look. Yeah. You're fully blocking it, mate.
Obviously, it's the main road. Yeah, but I've come to do a job.
Okay.
So where do I park? Main road, where do I park?
Anywhere that isn't the bike lane, preferably? Because I've just had to go out into the road. Whatever.